Amazing.
The only reason I visit this place is because I belong to a Gujarati family.
Taste. So let's taste it out. If you want to enjoy the catering services, just select Patiala House.
Where we use a lot of whole ingredients and whole spices to enhance the flavor.
The color, the green color, make it really special. It's a must-visit restaurant. So the perfect sweet dish is gulab jamun. So let's taste it out.
Let's toast on Patiala Pek.
Patiala House is famous for its traditional home-like food. Stay tuned, stay watching, subscribe. Hello guys, how are you? How's it doing? How's everything? So today we are here in Karama at Patiala House. Patiala House is famous for its traditional home-like food. If you want to enjoy a perfect rustic food, this is your restaurant. You have to head here. If you talk about their specialties, they provide you unlimited breakfast, unlimited thali and unlimited pani puri with reasonable prices. This restaurant is providing you the best services in Indian cuisine since 2012. They have two branches. One branch is here in Karama where I am present today, and one branch they have in Studio House. They have lots of specialties, but one of their specialty is they use the whole ingredients in their food. And they mostly use green chili. They avoid red chili because you know red chili is not good for the health. Patiala House is one of the leading catering services providers in Dubai. So they have lots of things for you guys. Let's go inside. Let's explore each and everything about Patiala House. Stay tuned. Watch this video till end. Let's check it out.
Talking about Patiala House, here specialty is veg Punjabi kofta.
Let's toast on Patiala Pek. Cheers. Amazing, guys. Nice. Special discounts going on unlimited pani puri on 10 dirham in Karama, Patiala House. Nice taste.
ओके यार, यहाँ पे आए पटियाला हाउस में स्पेशली खाने के लिए मटन चॉप मसाला और जंगली चिकन पाव। ये भी हम लोग किसी के रिकमेंडेशन से आए हुए हैं एंड वी हैड, इट वाज वेरी नाइस, इट वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड आई विल रिकमेंड पर्सनली फ्रॉम माय साइड everyone to please come here and enjoy. You will have the lavish and the best.
I have visited lots of restaurants, lots of cafes, but Patiala House is the best. What is the reason? There are lots of reasons to make this restaurant stand out. But this wonderful man, his name is Mr. Parvinder. He is famously known as Rimpi Agneja. So let's go and talk to this gentleman and let's ask him about the Patiala House. What is Patiala House and what is the specialty? What is the vision, mission of this restaurant and why should you come here? Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you?
Very good evening.
How are you doing?
First class.
So what is Patiala House?
See, the first thing which comes to anyone's mind when you think of the name Patiala House, there's something relating to Punjabi food.
Yeah.
So ours is predominantly a Punjabi food restaurant, a North Indian Punjabi food restaurant which serves a bit of Indian cuisine as well. But our speciality and what really distincts us from the other restaurants and restaurant fraternity is that we give you a taste wherein लोग कहते हैं ना घर के जैसे खाने का स्वाद होता है, where we use a lot of whole ingredients and whole spices to enhance the flavor of the food.
I have heard about your reputation that the people who come here they show consistency that once if they come here, they come here over and over again. What do you do to ensure this consistency?
From the beginning itself, they've tried to maintain the food consistency, the food quality, the food taste, and have not shifted, because once you start shifting, then those customers are gone. So we try to maintain that homely taste of the food, less oily taste of the food, spicy taste of the food, but only with green chilies, not with red chilies. So these are common factors that our chefs keep in mind, and the rest is just history. Yeah?
Amazing. So in India, we have people from different backgrounds. Some people like vegetarian food, some people like non-veg food. So do you provide veg food or non-veg food, or you provide both? And if you provide both, what measures do you take to ensure that both of the things are being kept separately?
We have our kitchen, mashallah, is pretty big, because our main business is outdoor caterings. That's how we started this business, and mashallah, today we have a second branch which has recently opened as well.
I have heard about you that you have another branch as well.
Yes, and it's doing.
So where is that?
It's in Studio City.
Okay, Studio City.
Yes, and that
same name is Patiala House.
Same. It's
And if you live in Studio City in Dubai, so you can visit Patiala House over there. They have another branch as well.
A lot of religious functions have been taken place at people's houses, and we do a lot of catering. Who does delivery and a bit of dining as well.
Okay.
So we cater from starting from up to 25 people to say 3,000 people.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah. So in that sense, in that perspective, our kitchen is well sized. So we have separate sections for the vegetarians and for non-veg food.
That's really important point.
Because a lot of religious functions are a requirement for caterings, and we need to make sure that we need to respect that, being our Indians ourselves, that we need to respect the religious sentiment and keep the veg and non-veg options separately.
Mr. Rimpi, as we know that COVID-19 is prevailing these days, and the people are very much afraid of this disease. Particularly, they are not in a mood to dine out in the restaurants. What measures are you taking to fight COVID-19, and what measures are you taking to ensure the safety of your diners?
We are in the situation, and everyone else is in the situation, but a lot of customers trust us, restaurants, and order food. So we are one of those the first point of contact for them, because food is a necessity. So in order to ensure that the food has reached them with all the precautions, we maintain, we firstly make sure the hygiene of all the staff is maintained. I really need to appreciate and give a big round of applause to the Dubai government, I think the UAE government.
I stand with you, because the efforts of Dubai government to fight COVID-19 are really applauded.
Yes. They have done a tremendous job. And Dubai is back in action. So hopefully things are back to normal very soon.
So guys, we have met this wonderful man, and we have amazing food here. We have amazing vegetarian and non-vegetarian food here. So let's go and taste everything. So stay tuned.
Hi, my name is Heta, and I do visit this restaurant quite often. The only reason I visit this place is because I belong to a Gujarati family, and one of my favorites in this thali is chas, because I really, it makes me go back to India, and of course I miss home. So whenever I miss home, I'm here to have their thali and chas. You must try this place out. This is one of the best restaurants when it comes to vegetarian thali. Also, because I'm a food blogger and I have my own cooking page, which is Cooking for Him. So I come here and I see what can I add in my next recipes and how can I get my cooking better. That's why I visit this place a lot. So do visit, guys.
So guys, the amazing food of Patiala House, which is full of perfectly balanced spices, is next to me. As you can see, I have ordered 3 kinds of dishes here. The one is butter chicken, another is veg Punjabi kofta, and the third one is jungli chicken pav. So the food is amazing, the presentation, particularly the ambience, the people who are working here, so friendly, so polite. So let's taste it out. So guys, the amazing food has been served by the amazing person who is Madhu Sharma. So this is butter naan. I will enjoy these 2 perfectly balanced, having Punjabi style food with this perfect butter naan. So I can see the color of the naan. It's so buttery. Particularly the appearance of the naan is so amazing. So let's taste it out with the perfect butter chicken. Just look at the color, look at the quality, look at the spices. So the most important factor of their spices is this, that they use green chili to a great extent. The reason is that green chili is good for our health. They avoid red chilies. So let's taste it out. Wow. If you go and eat butter chicken to various restaurants in Dubai, you will see a kind of sweetness in butter chicken, but the specialty and distinction of their restaurant is this, that it's a perfect spices having butter chicken. Amazing. So the perfect balance, the perfect spices makes the butter chicken stand out. So it's amazing. Wow, just look at it. So nice, amazing, perfect. And you can see the plate. The plate is disposable plate. They are ensuring the safety of the diners just to fight with COVID-19, just to give a hand to the administration of Dubai government. So they are unique in this regard because they care their diners. So let's taste veg kofta. Oh, particularly the color, the green color, make it really special. Just look at the color. And when the veggies are infused with masala, the taste becomes amazing. Wow. Particularly some people think that vegetarian dishes are not very delicious, but this vegetarian dish is beating the non-veg. Amazing. Wow, so nice. Ten out of 10. Must try. They have everything for you. If you are a street food lover, so this is also your destination. Oh, amazing. The view is amazing. So I will dip it into green chutney and taste. Wow. The spices which have been used inside are really amazing. Perfectly balanced spices have been used, which make it really special. Wow. Guys, as you can see, I have tasted 3 of their dishes, but the spices, the ingredients which they use during the cooking are so balanced that I'm not feeling heavy at all. And now I have requested them to bring gulab jamun. You know, when you eat food, after eating the food, you need to have some sweet dish. So the perfect sweet dish is gulab jamun. So let's taste it out. Just look at it. Very hot, fresh, amazing. And particularly the sweetness is very balanced. So guys, I have tasted each and everything is so delicious. It's a must visit restaurant, particularly if you belong to India, Pakistan, Nepal, any background. This is the best cuisine. This is the best Indian cuisine. And particularly their services in catering are amazing. They are the best catering service providers in Dubai. Particularly after COVID-19, when the restrictions will be over, if you want to enjoy the catering services, just select Patiala House. They will not disappoint you. Stay tuned, stay watching, subscribe our channel, stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.